Alright, you ready? We're gonna see what happens whenever we drive this into the Loot Lake tornado thing.
Yes, I am.
Alright, come on.
Let's go. Okay, I made the
Alright, come on.
thing a little weird.
Why would you do that?
I'm sorry.
Trying to hold. Hurry up! I'm trying to hold the camera steady.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Alright.
Okay, I think that's
Alright,
good.
this. Why would?
This
okay.
is it.
Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh, you hit Kevin. Alright, Kevin
Kevin.
ruined it. Kevin, why? You're gonna die. You're gonna die.
Let's go, boy.
Yeah, you're dead. You're dead.
Yeah.
You're dead.
I landed it.
What the?
I landed it straight.
Guys, what the heck?
I'm gonna destroy it to get it down.
I mean, it's probably gonna break.
I don't care. I want it.
Wow. Welcome to season 6, I guess.
Yeah. Oh.
Yep.
Okay.
How is it not broken?
Honestly.
All right, come on. Well, all right, come on. Do a little victory dance for surviving that.
Okay.
No, default
not
dance.
that.
Do the default dance.
No.
Yes.
No one likes that.
It's one of the best dances in the game, actually. Just saying.
Breakdown.
Yeah, this was kind of stupid. Why am I recording? Okay, you know what?